Facts Time will continue to provide you with interesting information about the countries of the world that you may or may not have known. Today's video will be dedicated to fascinating facts about ancient France, which is considered a romantic country and receives the most tourists in the world. France is the homeland of ballpoint pens. This country is also known as the first country in history to start mass production of ballpoint pens. After Luxembourg, the population of France ranks second in the world in terms of consumption of anti-inflammatory drugs. Remember that France is highly corrupt, that is bribery. It ranks 24th in the world. France ranks first in Europe and third in the world in the production of agricultural products. Its main agricultural products are wheat, dairy products, poultry, pork, and beef. France is the sixth largest naval force in the world. Its navy consists of 42,550 professional sailors and 15,000 reserve sailors. France ranks second in the world in terms of donor registration and donor need, after the United States of America. The Eiffel Tower in Paris was the tallest building in the world for 41 years after its construction, that is until 1930. The French army is the sixth largest in the world. France is the country that can receive the most tourists. 81,900,000 tourists visit it every year, which means more than the population of France at the moment. Many countries of the world know the 1st of April as a day of laughter. Celebration of this day as a holiday was first established in France. That is, France is the homeland of April Fool's Day. You probably know that France and England are connected by an underground passage. More precisely, this two-country has an underground corridor that connects countries one with each other. The Tour de France cycling race is held every year in France. This race will last 3 weeks, and the participants will cover 3,600 kilometers in 21 days. The famous Statue of Liberty in America was made by the French government in Paris. Then it was cut into pieces and transported to the United States of America by ship and given as a gift on Independence Day. France is the world leader in wine production. Note that 8 million bottles of wine are produced in this country every day. France has the third largest stockpile of nuclear weapons in the world. And this was the last fact. Don't get tired of following us, and we will not get tired of bringing you more unusual facts and information. Keep following us. Facts Time is always with you. Goodbye.